Let's learn how to remove Cameo on Snapchat. If you want to delete your Cameo from Snapchat but don't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is check if your Snapchat is updated. You can do this by opening the App Store and then typing Snapchat in the search bar. When you search for it, a page with Snapchat will open. If it says Open next to Snapchat, it is updated. But if it says Update, click on it and wait for a moment. The first step you need to take is to open the Snapchat app. Once Snapchat is open, make sure you are logged into the correct account. When Snapchat is open, you'll be on the camera screen. From there, you need to click on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. After clicking on it, your profile page will open. On that page, you need to click on the settings option located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on the settings option, a page with many options will open. On that page, you need to click on the Cameo option. When you click on it, a page with several options will open. On that page, you need to click on Clear My Cameo Selfies. Once you click on that option, you have successfully deleted your Cameo. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.